Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Madinah Arabic and your series Arabic Grammar Made Easy.
السلام عليكم. أسعد الله أيامكم بكل الخير.
In today's video, we will learn the nominative attached pronoun.
هيا بنا.
Let's go. Madinah Arabic, your portal to learn Arabic. Welcome. The nominative attached pronoun can be connected to the past verb. So, you can consider this video explaining the conjugation of the past verb in Arabic. Because this type of pronoun is attached, let's learn its forms, attaching them to the past verb kataba, which means he wrote. This is our table of pronouns. Let's remove the header and the first column to maximize the size of the table. The pronoun will be colored in red so that it can be distinguished.
كتبت.
كتبت.
كتبنا.
كتبنا.
كتبت.
كتبت.
كتبتي.
كتبتي.
كتبتما.
كتبتما.
كتبتم.
كتبتم.
كتبتن.
كتبتن. There is no attached pronoun for the third person singular masculine. The basic form for any verb is the conjugation with that person.
كتب.
كتب.
كتبت.
كتبت. The ta with sukun for the third person singular feminine is not a pronoun. It is just a sign of femininity.
كتب.
كتبا.
كتبتا.
كتبتا.
كتبوا.
كتبوا.
كتبنا.
كتبنا. In the next time, inshallah, there is another table for Arabic pronouns.
إلى اللقاء.
See you.
السلام عليكم. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to receive about any new video we upload. Sign up today and get your free one-to-one trial lesson with one of our male and female native Arabic tutors at Madinah Arabic Tuition Center. No credit card required.